To redeem your Meijer gift card online, start by visiting the Meijer website. Once you are on the website, locate the shopping cart icon and click on it to view your cart. If you have not already done so, sign in to your Meijer account or create a new one if you do not have an existing account. Next, proceed to checkout by clicking on the checkout button. You will be prompted to enter your shipping address and select a shipping method. After completing this step, click on the Continue to Payment button. On the payment page, select the gift card option as your payment method. You will be asked to enter your gift card number and the associated PIN. The gift card number can be found on the back of the card, and the PIN is also located on the back of the card. Enter the gift card number and PIN in the required fields and click Apply. If the gift card balance covers the entire cost of your purchase, you will not need to enter any additional payment information. However, if the gift card balance does not cover the full cost, you will need to select an additional payment method to cover the remaining balance. After completing the payment information, review your order to ensure everything is correct. Check that the gift card has been applied correctly and that the remaining balance, if any, is accurate. Once you have verified your order, click the Place Order button to complete the transaction. It is essential to note that you can also check the balance of your Meijer gift card online by visiting the Meijer website and clicking on the gift card balance link. You will be prompted to enter your gift card number and PIN to view the current balance. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Meijer gift card online and make purchases on the Meijer website. Remember to always keep your gift card information secure and only use it on authorized websites to avoid any potential issues.